Hello everyone. I'm an integrated cold roll forming machine for octagonal tubes. I'm not just a machine, I'm your 24/7 steel backbone. Are you struggling with multi-piece bending that leads to misaligned edges and fit-up issues? Twisted or warped profiles ruining aesthetics and consistency? Complex changeovers, small batches, too risky to accept? Let me change that for good. Fully enclosed, multi-path roll-forming system creates a complete octagonal profile in one go. Precision ground alloy rollers and synchronized drive give you sharp straight edges and exact angles. Quick change system handles multiple sizes with ease. Choose me, and you choose precision, strength, and efficiency. Bye everyone, catch you in the next episode.